So now, yeah, this is the program how to insert an array, how to insert an element using array. Okay, so while we are discussing about inserting, deleting, it's possible in which concept, ma? Semester in online or offline, you have to prepare in both the mode. I think from 19th onwards, we have a regular college for all the years, second year, third year, and final year. For first year, after your SEM exam, it will be no online. I think we have received the message from our registrar. So you hope that you are supposed to prepare well in both the mode. Okay, Harish. Okay, now can you tell me, we have studied static memory allocation and dynamic memory allocation. So what is the disadvantage in Sivaramakrishnan? When will be the SEM 1 exam? When have you completed your CAE2 exam? No, na? So CAE2 exam first we will complete, then we move on to SEM 1 exam. Yes, Sivaramakrishna. Okay. Gopi Krishna, online or offline, it will be announced for you, but you have to be prepare your exam in online mode. That's good for you. Okay. Bharat Reddy, Infit Road. I can't understand. What is the disadvantage in static memory allocation we have studied? After your CAE2. Gopi Krishna. Yeah, Mogan Sai, please, thank you. Yeah, because of that, we can't able to insert any element. We cannot able to delete any element. That and all we have seen, that is the very disadvantage. What are the dynamic memory allocation we have studied? What are the dynamic memory allocation functions? Malloc, yeah, Ragadarshini, very good. Kellogg, spelling is Malik Kalikila, Malloc, Kellogg, okay, good. Malloc, Kellogg, yeah, okay. Then realloc, free size of, yeah, very good. So I don't know why, while I've seen some of them were submitted your assignment paper, my question is very specific. Have you seen? The question is saying insert a value in an array, write a program using pointers to insert a value in array. So I think it's very easiest one if you choose the malloc and kellogg. I don't know how many of you have touched that. Okay. While we are seeing your, see, your unit 4 material uploaded, your unit 4 PPT have been open, polymorphism topic, everything get uploaded. Okay, you may refer it. And unit 5 is that. And while we move on to this assignment, how many of you have touched or not today? But anyway, 31 students have submitted. You just see the time remaining will be 2 days, 13 hours. So on Monday, midnight 12, after 12, you are not able to submit. You have seen 21 December, 12 a.m. That is the thing they have given. After that, you cannot able to submit. Is clear? So before that, you may submit it. Okay. Now, so you have understand my question. Here, I will explain you this program. I won't give you this program. I will explain you this program. What are the thing I have done? Okay. So you just see, this is for pointers. This I have used asterisk A, pointers. Okay, pointer variable. Okay, pointer. Okay, this N1, we all know N1 is the size of the element. Okay, I, we all know I, for getting the input for array, we always have I. LENELE, that we will see what it is. Okay. Now you all know, enter the size of the element. You consider this N1 size is 3. Very simple. I'm going to take my N1 size is 3. Okay. Then A equal to, we all know the syntax for DMA function. Int asterisk malloc N1 asterisk size of int. That's why I told you that inserting an array It's they didn't specified that you are supposed to do using pointer. You all know this is also pointer. Along with pointer, we use the DMA function. I think it's one of the best way to write. Okay, so that you all know I am getting the input a of I. You all know three elements now. What are my value? A of 0 is clear. For example, I'm keeping my a of 0 as 10, first element. Then a of 1. The next element I'm taking 20. I'm giving. This is through keyboard I will give. Then a of 3, a of 2 is nothing but 30. Is clear? Now enter the position where the element need to be insert. Okay. So now you assume how many elements are there in this program? How many element I gave the input? 3 element. You all know malloc is compile time or run time it will be used. Compile time or runtime? DMA function will be used in compile time or runtime. Compile time or runtime? Yeah, Rashmita, very good. Runtime. You all know runtime. That's why N1 asterisk na, we all know the size of int is 4 bytes na, 3 into 4, 12 bytes will be allocated only in the runtime. So runtime itself, I can change my allocation. That's why I didn't declare any array here because I got my array through the malloc function. Is clear? Okay. Now A of I got 3 elements, 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now I told you na LEN, ELE, I will explain you later. LEN means enter the position where the element to be insert. Assume I want to insert in the second position. I want to insert in the second position. My elements are 10, 20, 30. This is my element size. I want to, so assume according to Lee, this is my first position and this is my second position and this is my third position. Okay, so second position I want to insert my array. Okay, actually I will check if. Why if means you all given fourth position. If I gave, my program logic will get confused. So fourth position na, it is nothing but it says that it is an invalid input. Why? Because now I'm having only 3 elements. So I have to give less than 3. Position may be 1 or 2 or it may be 3. Yeah, it may be 1, 2 or 3. So always it will check. What is my N1 size? 3. My length, so it should be 2 greater than or equal to 3. If so, only my case will be executed. Else statement I will show at the end because now I have a annotate portion. So if I scroll down, this will be jumbled. Okay, if length greater than or equal to N1, na, my program will execute. Or else what happened? It will say it is a invalid input. So I have to give my element size is 3 now. I have to give my insert element should be greater than or equal to 3. Or else I have to give it is a invalid input. Okay. Now enter the element to be inserted. To be inserted. Okay. For example, I want to insert the element value is 40. Okay. Actually, have written very simple logic 40. I want to insert the element is 40. Okay. So array elements after insert. Okay. First, what it is checking ma? I equal to 0, I less than length minus 1, I plus plus. What is the length value ma? What is the length value? 2. So I equal to 0, I less than. So what is the size? We have told 3. Okay. And here I am saying that my length I want insert in which position? Second position. So 2 minus 1, 1. I plus plus. So that asterisk, what is asterisk in pointer ma? What is asterisk in pointer? What is asterisk in pointer? Ampersand. We have studied 2 operators in pointers, asterisk and ampersand. Ampersand is address operator, Value at the address. Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good, ma. Very good. Yeah, you people, Uma, Mageshwari, Kartika, Rashmita have put. Asterisk means value at the address. So first it will print off. It will print the statement. So A of 0, what is the element, ma? A of 0. First it will print 10. Hmm? Then I have to, you all know, length s than -1, 2 minus 1. Okay, I less than, so it will print only 10 alone. It won't print the next element because I less than 1. So it will print only 10. Okay. The next one, next element is what? I want to print in which printf. Oh my God. Okay. I will execute you, then you will understand well. You see, enter the size of the element 3. Okay. And I want to enter my element 10, 20, 10, 20, 30. Okay. 30. Okay. Enter the position, the element to be inserted. So I told you which position, second position, 2. So enter the new element to be inserted. What they are saying, new element. So I'm saying my new element is 40. So what will be my array, ma? Now what will be my output if I put enter? If I put enter, what will be my array value? Yeah, Morgan side. 10, 40, 30. No, I have inserted 40. So after that, my 10, 40, 30 alone. No, 10, 40, 20. Yeah, no, still I'm not. Yeah, Rashmita, good. 10, 40, 20, 30. People, yeah, Rashmita, good. 10, if I put one more enter, the array element after insertion is 10, 40, 20, 30. Have you understand? Actually, this is only I have asked. I don't know how many of you have done, but using pointers also you can do. But there will be a very big logic behind that. But here there is no logic. Is clear? I will tell you, this is the case. Have you understand how my output I'm getting? Have you understand this? I will go to my program. I got only 3 elements and I gave only 3 element and I'm asking at which length, which position I have to insert. First I'm asking length, then the element value, then array element after insertion. Yes, okay. Now I will go to my program. Okay. Now you people kindly listen here. It's not a big logic. That's why I'm saying, okay. So you just see, this is my enter the element to be insert. I told you this is 2. Sorry, this is 2. Length should be 2. The element value should be 40. Okay. And we all know A of 0. What is A of 0, ma? A of 0 is 10. A of 1 is 20. A of 2 is 30. Yeah. My size of the array is 3. Okay, leave it. Now, only this statement helps me to print the new array. People kindly listen, only this statement. I equal to 0, I less than length minus 1, I plus plus. Asterisk A plus I, A plus I. So first my element is I value is 0. So I value is 0. Asterisk means at that particular address it will print the value ampersand. Okay, so first it will print 10. Okay, I less than length minus 1, so 2 minus 1 1, so it will print only I equal to 0. Then we will come to the next position. Okay, next what is the printf statement? I have given element. So next what it will print? 40 it will print. Next what it will print? 40. Okay, then I equal to length minus 1. I have to start it. Length minus 1 means what? What is my length? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. From that I have to print. So I equal to 1. A of 1 is what? 20. Then I less than 30. So this is the insert element. Actually, this program only I have asked. I don't know, so many of you have written so many things, but 10, 20, 30, yeah. Priya, I think it's wrong. 10, 40, 20, 30. Have you understand? Have you understand? There is no logic. Just I ask the size of the array. Then I ask using malloc or kelloc. I have printed my array elements. After that, I am asking at which element. For example, the next logic, if of same thing, have you understand any doubt on this? Have you understand this program or any doubt? Ma'am, once again, repeat the insert value 40, how we get. Then Sheila. I am saying A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. Okay, 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 ma. Okay. Then Sheila, listen, listen. Very good. I think she has the doubt. Okay. So you people here, while I'm going my program, okay, uh, I think this is the correct. Yeah. Listen, Danshila, I told you my total number of array element are 3. Okay. And using for loop for I equal to 0, I less than n, I get the scanf. I get the array element ampersand of A of 0. So I'm giving A of 0 is 10, A of 1 is 20, and A of 2 is 30. This is okay. This is my array size. So I use, I think I have used Kellogg function to get my array. So get over. Now I want to insert the array. And we told you one of the best advantages of dynamic memory, inserting the array element is not difficult. It is very easy. We used to say runtime, we can change the size. That is also, you know, we can change. Now, if I give n equal to 3, now next I can give n equal to 4, n equal to 5, any value I can give. So runtime, I can change my size, and inserting the array element is also not a big challenge. Is clear? Okay. Now I'm asking at which position I have to insert. I'm saying second position. This is my first position, and this is my second position, and this is my third position. I want to insert in which position, ma? I'm saying second position I want to insert. That is length. So it is always check the length. For example, here only 3 elements are there. I'm saying fourth position I want to insert. Some of them will do. So at that time, it will check if length less than or equal to n only, this case will be valid. Else, what it will put na invalid input. So I can give first position, second position, third position. If I give fourth position, what happened? It is out of the size of my array. So it will print invalid input. That's why every time I have to check. Is clear? Okay. Now I am asking which element should be inserted. I'm saying the element value is 40. I'm saying my element value is 40. Okay. Now for I equal to 0. For I equal to 0, I less than length minus 1. I equal to 0. Okay. I less than length, what is the length value I gave? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. I less than 1. So I equal to 0 only it will print. First it will print I equal to 0 because I told you it want to print in the second. So it is printing asterisk. Asterisk means what? Value at the address pointer. So first it is printing A of 0. First it is printing A of 0. I equal to 0. I equal to 1, it won't print. Why? I less than length minus 1. So I equal to 1, it won't print. Then this loop fails, this loop condition. Then it will print the next element. What is the ELE? ELE means what? The element to be insert. I printing the next element, 40. Okay. Then it will come out of the loop. I equal to length minus 1. Length minus 1 means what? Length I gave 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So I have to start from I equal to 1. I equal to 1. A of 1. A of 1 is what? 20. It will print. A of 1. And you all know I less than or equal to n. N means I'm giving I equal to 2. Then I am printing A of 2. Not only this case, just I will show you n equal to 5, n equal to 10. Any cases, the same thing will be works. So I'm just splitting my case. First till length, before length, then I am inserting. And so here I have used one for loop. Here I have used one for loop and I have inserted the element. Yes, have you understand, students? Danshil, have you understand? Yeah. Okay. Now I will execute for some other size. Okay. Don't think that, ma'am, it is always valid for. Okay. Now you see, I'm giving my array element sizes 10. Okay. And I'm printing. Enter the element. It is asking. So I'm giving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. So I gave A of 0, A of 1, A of 2 till A of 9. It will occupy all the spaces. Okay. Now the next question is enter the position at which the element to be insert. So I'm saying it should be, you want to insert in the fifth position. So this is my first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position I want to insert. So after this 50, I will get the new element value. After this 50. Okay, I'm saying fifth position. Okay, then it is asking, enter the element to be inserted. So I'm saying I want to insert 500. So we have two for loop now. First for loop will insert till 40. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. It will print. Okay, then it will print 500. Then after that, it will print, we will I equal to length minus 1. Na? So you just see 10, 20, 30, 40, then 500, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes, I don't know. So many of you having confusion. Actually, it's not a big thing. Yeah. Have you understand why? Because I gave this question. I thought the people will understand inserting the array. They will use malloc or calloc. I don't know. Some of you have submitted. I didn't see any of you have used malloc or calloc. But you have to understand that we have studied one thing. Now, definitely you have to correlate with that. Is clear? Is clear, you people? Okay, that's why I gave you this assignment. I think I won't show you the program once again because I have explained the program. Once again, you try it because it's an assignment. It's not a question paper discussion. Is clear? Is clear, students? Shall I move on to the next question? Okay. You may try it. It's not a big thing. I just used a very simple. Okay. Actually, very simple topic. I have used malloc only. I thought calloc. Calloc na n1 comma. That's not a major difference. Okay. And I got the input and just two for loop. Okay. Else, okay. I will show you that invalid input case. I will run the element. Okay. Enter the elements 3. Okay. Enter the 20, 20, 30. Okay. 3 elements I'm entering. Okay, enter the position. I'm saying fourth position I want to insert. So what happened? What it will through? Invalid input. That won't, else it will go to the next case and it will print invalid input. Or all of you clear on this point? Okay. The next program is, I think, can you able to see see this? How to access array element through pointers? Write a C program to find the average of n numbers using array. Actually, yeah. This is program is also simple. You just see, very simple. Again, I have used to find the average. Okay, we all know for I what we know to getting array input. N is nothing but size of the array. Size of the array. N is size of the array. Okay, sum you all know. Without declaring sum, I'm not putting 0 now. Then automatically it will print the garbage value. So definitely I have to initialize sum. Asterisk a, again pointer, average. We all know average means definitely it can be a possible of getting in float. That's why I used float. Okay, enter the size of the array n, and using pointer variable I'm you getting this malloc. If you use this function, it is very easy. No need of declaring any array separately and passing the array to the pointer. It's not separately. This is enough. Is clear? Okay. And then you all know I'm getting, for example, 5 now. I'm getting 5 elements. I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I'm getting all my a of 0. You all know I less than n, a of 0, a of 1. It's very simple program. I think most of you have done correctly. I am very disappointed on inserting only. I don't know if I wait for till the assignment ends, I will get it. But anyway, I want to guide you. That's why I told you and I have explained you this program. Okay, you all know compute the elements in the array. Okay, so yeah. So here you just see sum equal to sum plus asterisk. You all know initially my sum value is 0, 0 plus. Assume this I am giving 10. A of 0 is 10 and this is 20 and this is 30 and this is 40. Assume I give only 4 elements. S n equal to 4. Assume n equal to 4 because I have written. Okay. Now sum equal to sum plus asterisk. Asterisk means what? Value at the particularly it want to access. So sum equal to 0 plus 10. First element 10. Then it goes to the next loop. Then 10 plus 20. The next element it will take. 10 plus 20, 30. Then the loop will always follow. 30. 30 plus next element is 30. 30 plus 30, 60. Then 60 plus 40, 100. Okay. 100. You all know the size sum by n. So 100 by 4. 100 by 4, we all know we get 25. But here it is round off. But anyway, you all know the average will be getting normally in float. That's why we declared sum of all elements in array. So sum of all elements. First, it will print 100. Sum of all elements in the array is 100. Then it is saying mean of percentage d. How it will print of? What it will print? Mean of 4 numbers are. First percentage d refers n and the next percentage f refers mean. So what it will print now? Mean of 4 numbers are 25. That is my second output. So that is no big logic behind this. Why I ask you to use malloc and all na? I think the second question I have explained you, but you can access through pointers also. It's not a difficult one. Okay, I have explained you through this. The next I will tell you how to access through the pointers. Okay. So I hope the next I will explain you. Okay, now I will run this program. You just see this. It's very simple program. First, I'm getting the size of my array. Okay, and using malloc, I'm writing, and then I'm printing the list of elements. Okay, then we all know this is not mandatory. I'm finding the sum. Okay, and then you all know I'm finding the average also. Only this program. Very simple, very simple. But here I use the malloc. Without malloc also I can use, because the question is very specific how to access the pointers through arrays they have asked. But it is not a wrong one. Array means I have done runtime array, that we can say runtime dynamic array. Static array is there. Okay, so run. Okay, I missed hash. Mm. Malloc not declared in the scope. Okay, hash include, we have no, to include the malloc, what is the header function we will use? stdlib. Enter the size of array. We told na 4. Okay. And enter the elements in the list. 10, 20, 30, 40. And you all know sum of all arrays are 100. Mean of 4 array. So when you want to crop, I ask you to execute in a snipping tool. You all know you will take one snipping tool. I think you people have used using snipping tool. I ask you to execute in online GDP compiler. Na? Press new, and you may get it over like this. Then I can understand you have did in online GDP compiler. Then you click on like this. Is clear? Then after this, you copy it, and while you're scanning, you insert this output and you may send it to me. Why? Because now just writing the program everyone will do. But anyway, I gave you the practice program also. Only 433 attempt is there. Only 60 students from group 3. So still some more 100 students have not accessed. Okay. That should not be that. That's why at least in assignment you may will use it. I thought. Okay. I think this program already I gave for you. How once explain how to crop, ma'am. Snipping tool, ma. SNI snipping tool. SNIPPING snipping tool. I think it's need not to install and all. It is available in all that. Okay, once you just that, then automatically it will be there. Then you can post it, paste in your any one of your Word document. You just simply give Control V, it will come. Is clear? Is clear on this? Use snipping tool. Okay. Okay. Now, I think this program is already available in our PPT. Pointers PPT, same program is available. But anyway, how many of you have used? I don't know. Okay. Don't put conio.h. You all know conio.h will not work in the online GDP compiler. Put int main. Okay. And you all know this is can you understand the difference? Previous program also I did, but what is the difference between that program and this program? Now there I use a runtime dynamic memory allocation. I have done the sum of array, and this is nothing but static memory allocation. I think it is available in our pointer PPT. It is available in our pointer PPT. Yes, Brinda saying yes. Okay. And you all know, I think I didn't declare about this mean. So I will declare float mean. I will declare. Okay. So it is saying that enter 10 elements. You may do that. Okay. 10 is the maximum element. Na? I may get it one n also I can put it. You all know. So enter the size of the element. Enter the size of elements. Okay. Then I can use scanf statement. Scanf percentage d ampersand n semicolon. Okay. And you all know I can put it here very simply I less than n. Okay. And you all know Royals Karthik. Okay. Num of array I. We all know it is a for loop. Okay, and this is the way pointer equal to num array I can put it. Very simple. For I equal to 0, you all know I less than n, I plus plus, sum equal to sum plus asterisk ptr. Asterisk means we all know value at the. Can you understand the difference? How your dynamic memory allocation program, you all know everything. You have declared only one pointer. Through the pointer you access the size, and from that automatically here we have to declare the array separately, and we have to move that array to the pointer, and then I have to put ptr plus plus. That is and all not necessary in dynamic memory allocation. Okay, then printf, you all know mean equal to sum by n, sum of all elements, and the numbers are, I think, I hope we have written all the programs correctly. Okay, now I will run the program. Any problem? Enter the size. Same 4 I will give. You all know I have to enter the elements 10, 20, 30, 40. Then the sum of array elements is 100. Sum of all elements in array. Okay, I have used two printf statement. That's why I'm getting. Okay, it's not a problem. Sum of array elements is there, and then mean is 25. Okay, I have used two printf statement. Both the programs are same thing only, but there I have declared only one pointer variable. That is sufficient. There using malloc or calloc, I can allocate my size, and from that directly I can get from the pointer. But here I have to allocate a separate for array, and then I have to pass the array to the pointer. That's why I need ptr equal to num array. I have to do that. Then this, have you understand this, students? Two programs, have you understand? Actually, to clarify you, because the pointers have taken some difference, the people should not forget. So even though it's a assignment part, I have given you, you can do it in malloc or calloc, or else you can do it in the normal, because the question is very specific, but both the concepts are same. Okay, and for the inserting an element, definitely I expect only malloc, because the program is not a tedious one. Yes, yeah, okay. And today we will solve one test case. Okay, I think have you have any clarification regarding your assignment? People kindly submit, and once again I told you the assignments, you all know very things. You see, only 31 students have submitted, while I'm teaching the class it become 32. I will find out who is that fellow. Okay, you know the timing also will become, uh, someone have submitted now Saturday 10:25, Valluri Nutan Utech. I think he's belong to the same class. If so, not listening my class, what he's doing? Okay, he is belong to group 1. Okay, he escaped from me. Okay, students. Okay, so you understand that you have only that much of time. No more extension will be given. So keep doing, and you all know 15 marks will be given. You once again, I will tell you the split of marks. CAE, we will take both the CAE, we will take 30 marks. So, okay, average of both the CAE. Assignment also, both the assignment 15 15. One more assignment is also there. From that we will take 15. Okay, quiz, we will take two quiz, we will conduct, so that 50 marks will be there. And apart from that, we will include your attendance also. You all understand this is the internal. So don't say, ma'am, I forgot, I have done this, that, no reasons and all. You all know we all have some group 2. So you all belong to group 2 EC na. 298 student out of 298, 14 students have only submitted. So you all understand, 18 from the group 1. Okay, group 3 I won't allow them to submit, because they are the latecomers. Okay, now inheritance, I think I have taken the inheritance example from you. I have told you the constructor and destructor. That's why I want to execute one small banking account case study. Okay, today I think I will teach of that, and we will end the class. I think please students kindly listen, because it's one of the important way how to write. Okay, and one of you have asked, ma'am, constructor and destructor, whether this will be matched with that topic. Okay, but because you all understand constructor destructor theory you don't have much, but inheritance we use the constructor, and in your lab also we will use the constructor. Yes, clear students, so that you have to understand. So listen, I will give you a small part on constructor there. Okay, constructor. Okay, constructor to initialize the object of a class. Okay, very simple name is class name, and the constructor name should be used same name. That is the thing. So while we are seeing about this, okay, I cannot able to score. So okay, constructor initialize the object. Destructor will destroy. It will. Why? Because now one example I'm going to teach with you. I think there is a scrolling problem for me. Okay, now I think it will be helpful for me. I have asked ma'am in WhatsApp. Okay, okay, okay. I don't know who have asked Mohan. Okay, thank you. Constructor is initialize the object, and destructor will destroy. Okay, that is the thing. And the class name, okay, it is declared as a class name. For example, your class name is student, na? Your constructor or method name is also should be the same. That is the thing. And here we will definitely pass the argument, but argument is optional in constructor. But destructor, we don't have any arguments. Okay, class name only will be there, but no arguments. So constructor can accept the arguments. Arguments means you all know, na, inside the bracket we have some arguments or variables, int a, char b, that way we will put it now. But in destructor we don't have any arguments. Okay, a constructor is called where instruction or object of class is created. Okay, but it is mainly to delete the object. Okay, and while we are seeing that constructor can be overloaded, we have seen where we have studied this overloader, ma, where we have studied this overloaded, overriding, overloaded and overriding, where you studied. Compile time. Polymorphism. Yeah, Rashmita. Polymorphism, we have a two types. Okay. Function overloading and operator overloading, and virtual function. Virtual function will comes under the overriding concept. Yeah, Rekha, Priya, thank you. So that, and you all know the construction name is the same as a class name. But for a destructor, we have to use the tilt symbol. We will use the tilt symbol. Okay, that is the tilde symbol for destructor. So you all see one thing, constructor is to initialize the objector, destructor used to destroy the object. Okay, constructor will accept the arguments or not, destructor will not accept any arguments. Okay, it is used to create the object and it is used to delete the object, and it can be overloaded constructor, but destructor cannot be overloaded. And the one thing is constructor name and the class name should be same. But here when you say that uh, we have to put the tilt name, that is meaning that that is the destructor. Okay. Okay, ma. Now, okay. I think I will explain you in the compiler, then it is easy for you. See, listen. We are going to see one program using constructor. Okay, define, yeah, actually you understand people, even though I told you this particular C++, you don't have a such a more programming, but we are explaining any method, you are supposed to explain with the program only. Constructor and destructor is your this topic. lab next semester, definitely they will. At that time, don't get be whether I will or some other staff will handle, but at that time you have to know the basic. They know go to the theory and they won't teach. So that purpose I'm teaching for you. Okay, and this is one of the reason why I have chosen this I think my mute is my mute can't listen your voice. Okay, okay, okay. I think how long it become. Okay. Okay. Now I think I'm audible, ma. I'm audible. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So I think have a while we are seeing about our name of the depositor, it should be always character. Okay, account number should be always integer. We all know. Type of the account. What are the two types of the account, ma? What are the two types of the account? ஆமா சார். நான் அங்க சைன் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஒரு சார் sorry. Students, I got a okay. Yeah, savings and current. Who is very clear? Nagababu. Zero account is also there. Yeah, very good. Type of the account is savings account. While you're taking your amount in ATM, every time it will ask. Okay, so that should be also in a character. Balance amount. We all know balance amount also should be in integer. And very specifically, you should be in a float. But I have declared in integer. Yes, clear? Okay. Now, member functions. Okay, I have 4 member functions. One member function is to assign the initial value, all this initial value. And the second member function I have created, the second method is deposit the amount. And the third is withdraw, checking the balance. And the fourth is to print the name and balance. Is clear? I have a class name of this bank. Okay, I have 4 data members. My name and my type of the account should be in a character. My account number and my balance should be in integer. My member functions. What are the member functions I told you? Assign the initial value, deposit the amount, withdraw the amount, and to display the name and balance. It should be in which member function now? It should be in a 4 methods we have given. Okay, now people, can you listen? Okay, I will stream this and all using name class. This is my class name. Class name is what, ma? Bank. Okay, and you all know I told you that are 4 variable only we have taken. Int AC number, account number, car name 100. Okay, maximum I can give 100 characters. Account type, that is also I gave 100. Okay, and it will 100, it will accept 100. That means what it is saying now, the 100 is nothing but each 1 byte will be there, 100 characters. That is the meaning of that. Okay, account type is also 100 characters will be account. Float, oh, I thought it is in integer. Okay, I have cleverly only done. Float, I have declared balance. We all know 19,000.54. It will be always 2 decimal will be rounded. So my account balance is also in float. Okay, it should be in a float only. Okay, float. Actually, balance amount I have declared in float. Okay. Now you just see uh, public. I told you all these are in public because I'm passing the parameter and all. So I can teach two thing parallelly. Passing also there, but I told you that it should be in a private. But for this purpose, I have created. Okay. Now, what is my class name? What is my class name? Students, what is my class name? Yeah. Class name is bank. Okay, very good. We all know what is the property of constructor. We have seen constructor. Once I create the constructor, it should be the same class name and it can pass the arguments or without arguments. You see here, this is the most important line. Yes, clear. Listen, bank. Bank is my class name. So my constructor here started. My bank is my class name. Okay, and here I am passing the arguments. 4 arguments. One is account, int account number. We all know that uh, this thing will not be same. So we always equal account underscore name. It should be equal to account number. Name should be equal to NM. Account underscore type is equal to account type. And balance should be equal to bar. Okay, because the passing the parameter, we have 2 variable. We all know that what are the 2 types of parameter we have studied. Did you remember passing the parameter 2 types, actual parameters and formal parameters? So that's why we have declared account number, name, account type, float. Okay, this is a parameterized constructor. Without parameter, bank, I simply put bank and then I have to close the parenthesis. Is clear? I have to close the parenthesis. strcpy. What is strcpy, ma? strcpy. strcpy. Yeah, very good, Morgan. String copy. That's why, yeah, name should be copied to NM. That's why we used string copy. Yeah. Yeah. And the account type should be copied to account type. Balance should be moved to balance. Okay. Now I told you here we have a for actually how we see here we have only 3 methods only. Okay, 3 methods only, not 4 method. Deposit, withdraw, display. Okay, we have a 3 method. First method is deposit, second method is withdraw, third method is display. Okay, now you tell me, by seeing this is function is inside the class or outside the class, ma? Function is inside the class or outside the class? This particular example, function is inside the class or outside the class? Yeah, very good, very good, Kokila. Yeah, no, it's not inside, it's outside. Nagababu, it is outside. Why now? My class ends here. You have understand? My class ends here. What is the syntax for specifying the outside the class, ma? What is the syntax for specifying outside the class? Did you remember? Anyone remember? Syntax. Yeah, I'm getting. Yeah, Rashmita, very good. Rashmita, good. I have to appreciate you. Return type, class name. What is this operator? What is the name of the operator? Scope resolution. Good, Rekha. And so many of you have put good. Scope resolution operator, then function name. So my first I have to get any int DAMT1, that is nothing but deposit. Deposit I am asking. So once I get the deposit amount, I have to credit in my balance. Okay, get over. This is depositing the amount. Okay. And the next case, withdraw. Okay. Void class name, scope resolution operator, withdraw. Withdraw meant withdraw amount. You all know your withdraw amount should be always it should be always your the withdraw amount should be in your balance amount. If it is greater than if your withdraw amount is greater than your balance amount, it will display that I cannot withdraw balance, cannot withdraw any amount. It will say, okay, so we will checking your withdraw amount is greater than balance now, it cannot withdraw. If not so, I have to, whatever account I have, whatever I have withdrawn, that should be subtracted from my balance. Is clear? It should be subtract. So deposited first. So deposited, I have added my balance. Withdraw, I have subtracted my balance. If my withdraw amount is greater than my balance, I will say it cannot withdraw any amount. How they have written? Very simple. Then you all know display. Display is nothing but it is displaying the account number, it is displaying the name, it is displaying the account type, and finally it will display everything. Okay, you just see whatever I am getting now, account number, name, account type, balance. This four I have to give it as a input. You all know now object is created. What is my object name? Class name space my account. This is the way to create the object in the constructor. Okay, we all know we are passing the parameter account number to account number, nm to name, account type to account type, ball to balance. Okay, then I have to access each calling the member function. Object name dot deposit, object name dot withdraw, function name, object name dot display return. Okay, so now I will execute this program. Okay, I will execute this program in the compiler. Okay, one thing I will tell you, account number. First it is asking account number na, it is had to ask the account number. Okay, then it has to ask the name. Name I'm giving input. CG C out. You all know C out will print the in the screen. Then account type. Then it should ask the account type. It should ask the account type. I have to put the name before my input. Before my input. Account number first it is asking. Account type it is asking. Then balance also it will ask. Because we are giving the input now. That's why I gave all these things. So this four input first it. Oh my God. Sorry, students. Account number, balance it will ask. So this detail I have to give it first. Okay. See out. Okay. First it is asking account number. I'm giving account number. Name, name. Account type, account type. Balance, balance. Okay. Then I have, then it will ask, what's your withdraw amount? Okay. It is ask deposit amount. Then I have to deposit my amount. Deposit amount. Okay. Students, wait, after executing this program, you leave. Then next one is withdraw amount. It will ask how, because we have a two function now, then it will ask withdraw amount. Okay. First it will ask, you tell your deposit amount. Then next it will ask, tell your deposit amount. Okay. Now I will run the program. You just see IO stream, stdio.h, string.h. strcpy we are using now. That's why string.h. Then account number, name, account type, and balance. Four, because bank is my characters. So I'm just passing all this. I have three methods, and the three methods I have used the scope resolution operator to declare the first. So first method is asking deposit amount. Second method asking balance withdraw amount. Third method displaying. And then first I will get all my input. Okay. So I will run the program. Any error is there, I will find out. Okay, it is asking see out balance. Okay. Actually, here I didn't put double quote. That's the problem. Name, I didn't keep the semicolon. Account type also, I didn't keep the semicolon. Account number. So it is asking the account number. Okay. Then name it is asking. Okay. Account type it is asking. So I will put it is my saving account. Okay. This is the input only I have to give. Balance it is asking. So I'm saying around 40,000 is the balance. Okay. Deposit. You want to deposit any amount? It is asking 2,000. Withdraw amount. I'm saying I want to withdraw 5,000. If I put 50,000, it will say cannot withdraw amount. Okay. That case also we see. So it is saying that account number is 1234. Name is Stephen. Account type is balance. Balance is 37,000. So 40,000 plus 2,000, 42,000. I have 40,000 is my balance. 2,000 I deposited, 42,000, and 5,000 I withdraw. So my balance is 30,000, 37,000. So if I run account number, name, and I'm putting my balance 40,000. One case I'm saying deposit amount 2,000 and withdraw amount I'm asking 50,000. Okay, so it will say cannot withdraw amount.